Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dimitri Puchnin. I'm a professional makeup artist and hairstylist, and today I have some special boxes with makeup. PR box from Rare Beauty, my first Rare Beauty in my makeup collection. And we have BOXYCHARM April months. We have a lot of stuff here. Are you ready to create nice everyday makeup with me? Let's go! Let's open first box. As always, this is BOXYCHARM. I get this box every month. Now it's Boxy Spring Reveal. We have 5 full-size products here. It costs around $30. It means you can save a lot of your money. Let's check what we got on April box by BOXYCHARM. First, it's a Juicy Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Nice packaging, juicy color. It costs $36. Clean and hydrate your skin. I don't want to read. Let's open and let's see. It's glass. We love glass. Nice. Ooh. It smells fruity with flowers. My first date. Feels smooth and soft. Thank you so much, and maybe we can use it in my everyday routine. Next, Eyeshadow Palette. Brand has strong crazy name, ATHR Beauty. It's hard. Okay, we have 10 shades in ultra matte, shimmer, duochrome and metallic finishes. It costs $48. Let's open it. We got some unicorn. Its card says, "Listen your dreams. They are epic and penetrating and more meaningful than you can imagine." Nice packaging. It's not like flat. It has some volume here. It feels nice, light, and not easy to open. What? Excuse me? Where is the mirror? Where is my mirror? Okay, no mirror. It's pretty nice. Every day, every night, basic palette. Let's do swatches, and we can start from matte shades. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pretty pigmented, it feels nice and soft, and today we're gonna try mostly products on my face. Let's try next shades. Here, here, here. So bright, shiny. One. Oh! Oh guys. What? I love it! Ooh. Do you like it? Do you like it? I was expecting a little bit less, but it's good. And we have 3 shades here. 1, 2, 3. I think it's duochromes. This is definitely duochrome. Which one is your favorite? I like this one. Maybe it's not so pigmented, but as a topper, perfecto. Perfecto. We have names here: Desert Sand, Twilight, Sunset, Coral, Afterglow, Golden Hour, and we can try it on my face soon. Next we have Seattle London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glow Glass Glow Primer. I hope it does a lot. It costs $32. Prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application. You know guys, if you check my Instagram, here I'm pro makeup artist and my signature look, it's dewy, sexy, healthy skin. Oh, love it. Maybe this primer can help me to create more sexy and more dewy and more healthy skin. Who knows? Who let the dogs out? Who knows? Maybe Seattle, London knows. Nice and cute package. No fragrance. No? Thank you. Love it. Because sometimes company trying to put a lot of fragrance and it smells not okay, because I don't want to smell like Sephora. Sorry Sephora, I love you. We got some liquidy primer. let's apply on my face. Let's see how it's look. Okay, it feels super soft. I feel smooth. Not bad. Not bad. It's super nice. Super soft. Next item, it's Item Beauty by Edison Rare Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Nice package. Sexy. A dose of self-love. Cute. Mascara. I love this size. Perfecto. Especially for people with short eyelashes. It can be perfect. Next we have Body Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Pineapple Lip Scrub. Welcome! Ta-da! It's $23. This rich sugar scrub with juicy pineapple. It's a lot of words again. Let's try it. Body Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Oh! It's not strong. It smells good. And it's scrub. You can see texture. It feels like pineapple sorbet with natural sugar. It's really sweet. If I will have next diet, I can use lip balm as my dessert because sometimes you need something sweet. It was our April BOXYCHARM products, and now we can check how much it cost if I will buy it separately. $33 plus $40, and together it cost, check here, this side. Thank you so much. I got a mail. It says, oh, we want to try our new foundation. Choose your shade and we can send you our products. I got new foundation from Rare Beauty. Hi. Hello. Who's texting me? Stop it. I said stop it. I'm working. Let's check it. Another girl. And voila, nice package, love it. And we have foundation here. They just started from price. It's not like name or what's inside. They just started from price. $29. Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. Broad Spectrum, SPF 20, sunscreen. Stop talking and let's try it. Oh, we have something here. Magic. What is it? Maybe it socks? Something nice. It's hat. Summertime. Do you like me? I look like nice package. We have something here. It helps to open. Nice. I'm gonna use my sponge. It's supposed to be like natural tinted moisturizer. In my mind, will create natural look without heavy concealers. It feels so soft. My favorite word is soft, because you know I just started speaking English 5 years ago, and I'm pretty comfortable speaking with someone one by one. My clients, but talking on the camera, it's a little bit hard for me, but we can do it. Please comment below if you like or hate me or something. Don't forget to subscribe. What do you think? Maybe color a little bit warmer than I was expecting, but I like finish. It's like natural, glowy. Maybe it's glow because we used a primer from Seattle, London, glossy skin primer. Now it's look much better. What do you think, guys? I like foundation, but I hate sponges. Sponge from Selena Gomez, it's horrible, honestly. Elf Cosmetics for $5, it's better than Selena Gomez. I'm sorry, girl. I use shade 30N, like natural. I can't say it's like natural, because for me it's a little bit warmer than I was expecting, but it's not bad. Let's put some powder. As a pro makeup artist, I have my powder in small cute little bottles because it's easy to travel. They have like 5 or 4 different shades. Now I'm gonna use brush from Romanova Makeup. It's dual brush. I'm taking inside. It's nothing here. And just tap 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 tap. Side with powder looks better. Much better. I'm using my Air CMA powder. I love it. It's super lightweight. Let's apply some Kevin Aquan powder, because now we have to prepare our face for eyeshadow. Have you ever tried Kevin Aquan powders? The systems have 2 different sides. It's more matte and shimmery, and it's nice. You can create super matte or super shimmery. And now let's try it, how it's look. And don't forget about your eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. I love my eyebrows, but sometimes I need a little bit fuller, and it's different without and with. We have our foundation as a primer for eyeshadow, and now I need some brushes. We have some brushes from Rare Beauty. Let's do it. Okay, first I'm using fluffy brush, and I'm taking nice dark shade and applying all over my eyelids. Don't forget to blend it. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. For under eye area, I'm using Laro's brush number 119. Same shade, Desert Sand. Tap, tap. I'm using the same shade. Under eye to create shadow and tap in. Can you see the difference? My mirror is dirty. It's always dirty here, because next up I'm using a little bit super dark shade here, Miscreate, and for that shade I'm using same brush but black. Just take our eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it right on my lash. As you know, I'm from makeup artist, and I'm usually like working with my clients or with models, and for me it's easy to create some makeup for my models than for myself. And now we're taking our small tiny brush, using same dark shade to create nice deep look. I'm applying right on my eyelash line. Now it's time to try our duochromes. We have perfect base. Okay, let's try my favorite duochrome from this palette. Tap, 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 tap. What do you think? Wow. Wow. I love it. Nice, pretty. And last. Under eye, I'm gonna use this. It's like metallic, coppery. It's time for our mascara from BOXYCHARM, and this is Lash Snack. Cute, nice, small brush. I really love this brush because you can easily go to roots to put product from roots to end of your eyelashes. Look, ooh. Bottom lashes too. It's just one layer. And let's do second layer. I'm not sure it's waterproof, but it's not a problem. Just be nice. Don't cry. Stop overthinking. Usually girls, when they do eyelashes, they open mouth like I can do it without opening my mouth. It's mean pro. To fix my makeup, I'm using Professional by Benefits. This is how we do everyday makeup with new products from BOXYCHARM and Rare Beauty. Thank you so much for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. Please comment below about how was my video today, and check another video, and see you soon. Bye!